Yo, what is up, guys? It is me, Verbs from Verbs Gaming, in my messy room. But I'm going to go to the snow right now. It's messy. I have my backpack on. I'm gonna go with Dylan and his mom. So Dylan, his channel is It's Dylan. Be in the description. So yeah, we're gonna go right now. Dylan's mom is picking me up, and yeah, let's do it. So we're at Dylan's house right now. I'm waiting outside because it's kind of hot. I'm waiting for him to come out. His mom picked me up. Went to the store. Got some shoes really quick. Got some snow pants and stuff. And might swing by Big Five, get some snowboard, just a snowboard or something like that. And yeah, so I'm just waiting for Dylan to come out. Here's the view that I have. It's pretty nice. So, yeah.
And they'll be asking us if we have snow chains. If we do,
Faggot.
they'll let us stop. What?
Faggot. Faggot. So the roads were closed. Let's go to the place.
I'm pissed off.
Dylan's really pissed off.
Fuck you.
That's how pissed off he is. So, we're a lot of traffic up ahead. I don't know if you can see it or not. But there's a lot bad. We're gonna be here for a while. Yeah. So, meh. So we're at a truck stop right now. Yeah. What's up? Got a monster. He got some soup. I don't want any soup. What is that? Oh, drivers. Alright, so yeah, we're at a truck stop. We're gonna be leaving right now. Trying to find another place up the road.
Faggot.
So we couldn't find another road, and so today's canceled. It's all good though. Yeah.
Pizza's really good. It's really good pizza.
Yeah, we got some really good pizza. Really good pizza. Truck stop.
No, fuck them.
Yeah. So we're in the Goodwill. Got some good finds. Some pants, some pantalones. Got a jacket.
Dude, this is actually pretty sick.
You gonna get it?
Yeah, Pro Player all stitched in there. Dude, got that Florida patch going on. Fish netting. Check on the back of that big
Marlins.
And then you zip it up. You get that,
Nice.
hold on, how do you get that zipper?
Got that cocaine shirt in the background.
Yeah, I got that Fitvar cocaine. You got that big Pro Player zipper on there.
Dude, I think that looks good on you.
That one.
That's it. That's it, dude.
Happy?
Alright, guys, so these are our finds for the day. Can you hold the donkey? I'm getting this from my mom.
Give me that ass.
So this is our finds for the day. I'm getting this sick Hurley jacket. It's really nice, really comfy. The inside is amazing. Yeah. And then I'm getting these extremely poser, but very limited edition, and you'll never find these ever again. Red Hot Chili Peppers shorts.
Billabong too.
Like Billabong, dude. These things last. I'm really gonna keep these for a long time. They're not on sale, but I mean they're just too good.
$5.
They're too good to pass up.
Too good to pass up.
Way too good.
We got
and then
some
I'm getting this really stonerish shirt. It's a double XL. I'd rather like a large, but I think it's 100% cotton. So if I dry it like for an hour or so, just alone, it'll turn into like at least an extra large. So that'll be cool. And yeah. And then
now we move on to me. Okay.
Give him the
ass. Okay, you take that ass. Okay, so what's up, guys? It's Dylan here on YouTube, and I haven't been releasing the episodes lately because my camera got stolen.
We're not getting limited. I mean, you're not getting a shout out. Okay?
Shut up.
I'm just kidding.
Put my link in there. Okay, but anyways, today we have this really nice, I want to say...
Cardigan.
This is a...
Rest through it,
85% wool, 15% mohair cardigan. It's really nice. Looks awesome. It's grandpa fashion. Grandpa season is here. This is awesome in general. And this is like...
Don't try on every single one, I swear to God.
I'm not. I'm just going to try and...
Okay, show them the Marlins. You gotta show them the Marlins.
Okay, then we got this sweater, another grandpa sweater.
Cosby
in it up. Got 75% wool, 25% mohair.
Nice.
Really nice powder, I have to say. Whoa. With that Titanic music playing in the background. Really nice. And then we got
Dude, okay, this is the big find of the day.
This is the big one. A Pro Player, vintage Pro Player Marlins jacket.
Look at
This
this.
thing is
Insane.
so insane. Dude, seriously? Check this out. Marlins on the back.
Dude,
You got that
yes.
MLB stitched in. Pro Player stitched in. Marlins patch right there. Fishnet going on.
It looks so good, dude.
And then zip it up. You got that big Pro Player on the zipper.
Yep.
Boom. You
All right.
look like a dad.
Dude, okay, that's the find of the day.
That is the fun.
Out of all this stuff we got, even the donkey. I mean, look how cool this donkey
Next
is.
we got another dad sweater half off.
You're welcome, Mom.
Half off for $3. Another dad sweater. 2001 NCAA finals. Or, yeah, NCAA. Sorry. College ball. Really
All right.
nice, really nice. And then the last find is the
The
first find.
emoest, quotest shirt
Yeah, this is
ever.
the fuckboy
I said
shirt.
shoat. I said shoat.
It's a fuckboy shirt, but it's really nice.
Read the quote.
Read the quote. We are in the gutter, but some of us are staring at the stars. Really nice message.
Yeah.
It's half off today for 125.
Exactly.
Really, really nice.
So, those were the finds of the day.
Yep.
Thank you for watching the thrift store thing. On to the next part of the vlog.